Okay, this is a maths question. Shade the region that is divided by all these inequalities. Okay, x plus y is less than or equal to 6, y is less than or equal to 0, y is less than or equal to x plus 2. Okay, she did this for homework. The question is actually, Helen made some mistakes when she answered these questions. Write down the 2 mistakes. Now, the mistakes are either going to be the lines are wrong or the wrong version is shaded, or there's no dotted lines. Now, all of these are equal to, so it should be solid lines, so that's not it. So it's either that some of the lines are wrong or that the inequality is wrong. So let's look at this one here. Y is less than or equal to x plus 2. Let's try and identify this line. So I'm going to do my table of values here. X, Y. I'm just going to choose some random numbers. 1, 2, 3. 0 plus 2 is 2. 1 plus 2 is 3. 3 plus 2 is 5. Let's just see if these are actually on my graph. 0 and 2 is here. Okay. 1, 3 is here. 2, 5. So this one here is y is less than or equal to x plus 2. And we'll test later to see if it's on the right side. Y is greater than or equal to 0. Now, you might think straight away that's your y-axis, but it's not. It's actually your x-axis. So it's actually this one here. This y is less than or equal to 0. Y is greater than, or equal to 0. Now, this is probably where a bit of a clue is, because if you think it's greater than, it really should be maybe this bit here, or that bit there. Either way, this bit of the shading is wrong, which is a bit of a big clue. Okay, next one, x plus y equals 6. So I'm actually going to do my table of values here, x and y. It's a fairly easy one to do, but I like to do the cover-up method where I choose x as 0, which means y's got to be 6, and I choose y as 0, which means x has got to be 6. Let's see if this is on a graph. 0, 6 is here, and 6, 0 is there. Now, it's fairly obvious that that isn't on, this line's not correct. This line should really be down there. So that's the first one that you have to put. So you've got to put x plus y is less than or equal to 6 is not drawn correct. Next thing we've got to think about the shading. Now, as I said, the y is greater than 0 is a bit of a hint. But let's see if it's on the right side of the y is less than or equal to x plus 2. Now you can choose whichever point you want. I always like choosing 0, 0, just because your maths becomes a lot easier. So let's just substitute into this equation. My y is 0, my x is 0, so 0 plus 2 is 2. Y is less than or equal to 2, which it is, which actually means this bit here is right, not that bit. So it'd actually be all of this bit here is shaded. Okay. You don't have to shade it for the question. So here I'd have to put in the y is less than or equal to x plus 2. The wrong side is shaded.